Today is Monday the 26th of June and right now it is currently almost 9 o'clock at night. I'm going to be going out for dinner right now, so I thought it could be really fun if I do a get ready with me while I'm in Dubai for dinner, show you guys my makeup routine, do a really fun chatty get ready with me, talk to you guys about everything that has been changing and going on in my life at the moment. I really hope you guys enjoy watching this get ready with me. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe, and do not forget to check out my socials. I'll be linking them down below. And without the way, let's get into the video. So I've got this white fluffy headband that I found today, so I'm gonna use it today to do my makeup. The hair is out of the face. I never used to do loads of makeup. I literally just did moisturizer, blush and mascara, and sometimes that is what my norm is, but at the moment I'm really into makeup and doing my makeup, eyelashes pop, making the blush, highlighter, everything. I finished my GCSEs not even a week ago. It's been almost a week ago since I finished my GCSEs, and for me it's felt like months ago because I've done so much since I finished already. I'm not staying on to do my A-levels. Kind of bittersweet, but also it's a decision that I wanted to make for myself because I don't feel like school is the right place for me. I feel like I want to start my life in a way. There's just so much more that I want rather than spend an extra 2 years in school. And that's just my personal preference. Especially the past 2 years, I've really felt I didn't want to be in school anymore, but I wanted to finish my GCSEs so I have my qualifications in paper. When I was taking my GCSE exams, I was really pushing myself to get the best grades possible. My experience in school was like a roller coaster. You go through friendships, you go through relationships, you go through everything. In high school, I'm very confident in what I'm going into, and I'm very confident that I have the ability to make YouTube my career. From the way that things have been going at the moment as well, I just feel it. I feel on the verge of something, and when you have that feeling, you've got to follow it and keep going at it. So I'm just trying to focus this summer in particular on creating the best content that I can, posting and monetizing all my platforms. YouTube is my happy place. I love it here. I love speaking to all of you guys. I love reading your DMs. I love creating videos in general and the whole editing process. I have since I was really young, and the fact I have the opportunity now to make it my job is so fulfilling already before it's even happened. That is basically the tea on finishing school and life decisions, I guess, and I can't wait to bring you guys like along with me. So when summer started, this week before I finished my exams, me and my family went to Larnaca. We were going to go to New York in like July, but instead we chose to come to Dubai, which has been amazing. Like, I love it here so much. I go home from Dubai in like a few days from now, less than 48 hours in Cyprus, and I leave again to go to London, which I'm also super excited about because I'm going to be staying with my sister for 2 weeks. I'm going to be meeting some of my YouTube friends. If you dampen your beauty blender before you do like liquid products, it applies so much nicer. Like, I love this. What? Because otherwise I find that it dries really quickly. Also, this is the Rare Beauty Blush in Bliss. It is a current favorite of mine. When I go to London, I really want to go to the National Art Gallery. Found a new love for like looking at art and admiring it, so I'm really excited to go try all the foods that Covent Garden and Soho has to offer, and just getting a change of scenery. Last summer when I was in London, I did so many vlogs, and I'm so excited because I'm not going to be doing like structured vlogs like I have been for previous trips in the past in Dubai. I'm going to be doing like spend a day with me in London. Have you ever been bullied for YouTube? Let's talk about social media confidence and starting a YouTube channel. I've started to meet like a few people that watch my videos. I'm always so like shocked because when I talk to my camera, it's like I'm talking to my camera and I forget that there's like hundreds of people watching me, which is insane. A lot of people have said to me like, I want to start a YouTube channel, I don't want to be made fun of. Once you get past that, it becomes so much more easier and refreshing, but it's just a matter of getting past it. As we're having a truce in today's video, when I was younger, I got bullied for YouTube at primary school, high school even, like it happens. At the age that I'm at now, if someone says to me about like, Sienna, you have a YouTube channel, I have a YouTube channel. I like talking to my camera is my best friend, and I say it shamelessly because my thing, you know, everyone starts from somewhere. Like, I started literally filming on my iPad with about 30 people subscribed to me. If you love something, then you should do it no matter what anybody else thinks, as long as it makes you happy and it's fueling your creativity juices and your dopamine and how you feel. That is the most important, and I learned that through YouTube. Would I stop it because people be mean or saying things, or do I continue and do what I love and ignore it? Because they will stop eventually. Everyone goes through it. All the popular YouTubers as well say they've been through it. It's helping you grow. That's how you should think. It's helping you grow. So focus on your editing screen, focus on your phone screen so you can get that content out, meet new friends, meet new creators, potentially have your life changed. Life when I get back home, which will be like mid-July when I'm back home, like in my room filming videos. It's a good few weeks away before I'm like going to be properly like stably back at home. I want to go to the beach with my boyfriend. We've been talking about going to the beach together. I'm going to be having lots of solo days at coffee shops, going to the gym because I started the gym before I left to come on holiday. Tonight for scents, I'm going to be using this Brazilian Crush Sol Janeiro in pistachio and salted caramel. I remember seeing these all over TikTok and I tried it out in Sephora and I'm obsessed with it. I like this one more though than like the Watermelon Crunch. And then over the top of my lipstick, I'm going to use some of this Summer Fridays Lip Butter Balm in Vanilla. I really hope you guys have enjoyed watching this get ready with me. If you guys like more videos like this, let me know down below. I love you guys so much and I'll see you all in my next video.